If you have a house in Galloway, Ohio, and it's occupied by either tenants or a family member, or worst case scenario, a squatter, and you want to sell this property and keep it extremely easy and convenient, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying occupied properties in and around Galloway, Ohio. People love working with us for many reasons, but a big one is we can handle anything that needs to happen with all communications with the person that's living inside the property. You don't need to have any awkward conversations with this tenant or whoever is living there. We can handle everything very professionally. We understand all the property management laws. We can post notices. We can take care of this thing for you. And when we purchase the property, we're a true cash buyer. And that means we're going to buy this property in its as-is condition. And that's important, especially when it comes to these occupied properties, because I don't care if it's the cleanest tenant in the whole world. Any property that's lived in is going to need some type of work and repairs. It doesn't matter. If the property is completely disheveled and in bad shape, we'll buy it. If the property just needs minor repairs, perfect. We'll buy that as well. We're a true cash buyer, and that means we're not relying on a bank to approve us or a nitpick the property with different inspections and have 100 different walkthroughs, disrupt the tenant situation. No. And if the tenant wants to stay, we understand leases very well. We absolutely could keep the tenant in place if that makes sense for the given situation. Whatever the case may be, is we buy properties that are occupied in and around Galloway, Ohio, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you, make you a cash offer. So when we get on the phone, we're going to make you a cash offer on the tenant-occupied property in Galloway, Ohio, and if our offer works for you, great. We can move forward, and we're going to communicate very effectively and clearly with you the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We can shake hands, part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics, just clear transparency. We're going to show you exactly how we come up with our numbers, so there's no games being played. And if our offer is the best fit for you, perfect. You're going to love working with us. If not, that's okay too. You have nothing to lose. So our number once again here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very simple form right there online, and then we'll give you a call, get on the phone with you. We just need to know any timeline you might be working with, and that's very important. It's often overlooked too. Since we're a true cash buyer, we'll close on your timeline. So if you want to close quickly, we can make that happen. If you need more time and flexibility, we can handle that as well. Whatever the case may be, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Galloway, Ohio. My name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.